he's going to school and he's thriving, but he still has a ton of issues, and that's what Chris is worried about. But he was put in isolation um, for a wrong reason. And like I said to Zavada, if he was suicidal, then I would understand. And had he contacted us, we would have explained to him what I just explained to you. Because my wife and I are both type of people that we don't mince words, not even with no with the public, anyone in public, but with each other. And if we felt that something was wrong, we'd say it. You know. But anyway, I wanted to know what were your mental health policies, and basically what I'm hearing is that it's really not much. And
I don't think that's correct. I think that we do have mental health policies that, that you could research them if you want. Can they be improved? They probably can be. I think that there are statewide guidelines coming out. The Stepping Up program I attended for 2 days, as well as 5 other people from the county back in December, has got some recommendations, and they have some training protocols, and every likelihood that we're going to implement what they now call evidence-based practices, which is the new buzzword that's replacing best practices. But to say that there are no policies is unfair, and I was going to let it rest, but that's not correct.
well, I respectfully disagree because um, based not on my son's case, but on the other case I was mentioning, and I wasn't sure if it would be proper to mention his name or not, so I didn't. But he does have which behavioral health is very well aware of his mental state, and he's one of those that he eats his own feces and things of that nature. And from what I have been told, the COs that were supposed to be watching him basically put him down there to forget about it, and then laugh at him and joke at him and everything else, get him agitated, and then when he acts out on his agitation, then they take action against him.
And in all
And
fairness,
that is all
and in
going
all
on.
fairness, that's what the courts are for, so that when you have a formal written complaint, people have a formal opportunity to answer. You bring in witnesses, you get to hear both sides at the same time, and not just one side. And I have no reason to believe that you're informing us of anything other than what you heard, but you said what you heard, so it's automatically hearsay. So what you need to do is to